How to make slime. Making slime is a fun and easy activity that can be done at home with just a few ingredients. Here is a simple recipe to make slime. Ingredients: 1/2 cup white school glue, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon contact lens solution, food coloring, optional. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine 1/2 cup of white school glue with 1/2 cup of water. Stir until well combined. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to the glue mixture and stir. If you want to add color to your slime, add a few drops of food coloring and mix until well combined. Add 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution to the mixture and stir. You should see the slime start to form. Keep stirring until the slime begins to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Knead the slime with your hands until it is no longer sticky and has a smooth texture. Your slime is now ready to play with. Store it in an airtight container when not in use. Please note that while this recipe is generally safe, it's important to supervise children during the process and avoid ingestion.